Alright, there it is. On the trailer at the boat ramp. Getting ready to launch, maiden voyage. It's a windy, foggy, not such a great day. But that's okay, we're only going to be going slow. We got to break it in. For the first hour it says don't run over 2,000 RPMs. So that's what we're going to do. Let me get this baby in the water. We'll join you back in a little bit. Okay, we're on the water. Breaking in the new Yamaha 115. It says for the first hour not to go over 2,000 RPMs. It's kind of varied up and down a little bit. So right now I'm going 1,300 RPMs at 7.5 miles an hour, basically speaking. Motor's running great. Just putts along. It's a weird, funny day. It's foggy, warm. Anyway, everything's looking good. I'm not going to bore you with a lot of this. We're going to do this for about an hour. And then we're going to come back. The second hour we're allowed to run it up on the plane. It doesn't specify RPMs. It says run it on a plane and then back off so you stay on plane and vary your speeds again. Do that for another hour. After 2 hours of operation, this thing can go. You can open up wide open throttles, but not more than 5 minutes. So anyways, we'll be able to run through paces, through the RPM ranges, and see what it'll do. So okay, this is it, breaking into 115. We'll be back. Okay, we've got some time on it now. We've got 2.5. So we've got 3 hours on it now. So I run it wide open once. My prop is really close. I was 5,800 RPMs, but I'm empty. I got less than a half tank of gas, no cooler, no water. I'm just empty. So I need to take 1 inch of pitch out of that prop. I'm running a 19. I'm going to take that down to an 18. That'll put me right at the 6,000 mark. And that'll be even more in tune, when I get loaded up. The motor will be running where it wants to. It cruises, oh my god, it's so nice, next to nothing. But I'm going to run you through some of the paces. It gets pretty crazy. I took wide open once to focus just a little bit. If I trim it to get that top speed, I think I went basically 44 miles an hour, 43.7. But my steering helm's a little worn, as you can see. I think I'm going to be upgrading my steering. I'm going to go to hydraulic or something. So let's take it through some of the slow paces. I'll show you. Here's the tachometer I'll be panning up to, and there's the speed. Right now 5.69. So keep an eye on it. Here we go. Cruising at 22 miles an hour. That's pretty good. With the 70 on here, I would have to be going 4,500 to be going 22 or 4,600. Pick it up a little bit more. fast I want to go with this one-handed, with the camera in one hand and working the throttle and this wore-out steering. So what I'll do is I'll go through all the paces. I'll write down what it did at what RPM range and post that. Like I said, I'm going to switch. I'm going to go down 1 inch pitch on the prop. I'll go down to an 18. I think that'll be spot on. So hey, another good day on the boat. Okay, closing statements for the day. I'm smiling ear to ear. This thing's a hoot. It's fun. Had a 70 on it. It did good. It would go 32 wide open. I didn't realize how worn my steering was with that 70. Now I realize. Realistically, a 90 would probably be perfect on this 22. It's 115th of hoot. But here's my numbers. Got them on the pad here. 3,000 RPMs, 21 miles an hour, 3,500 RPMs, 4,000, or 3,500, 26, 4,000 RPMs, 31, 4,500 RPMs, 37, 5,000 RPMs, 40.5, and my wide open throttle was 5,800 at 43.7. I'll be changing that prop. I'll be taking 1 inch out. The motor should. That's a light boat right now. I don't have nothing in here. I'm empty. No ice chests, anything. So you want to pick that up. 1 inch of pitch will gain me about 200 RPMs. I think that'll be spot on. So anyways, like I said, grinning ear to ear. New motor ran great. We got a break-in hours on it. I can go out fishing now. I can do whatever. I think it looks like I don't have my NEMA cable hooked up yet, so I don't know what my actual gallons per hour were. Miles per gallon or any of that, but it looks like I used about 5 gallons, and I've been running, let's see, I'll tell you exactly, I left at 1, it's 4, I've been running 3 hours, so, wow, oh my God, we're happy. All right, thanks for joining me, have a great day.